How did I do that? Okay, I'm bringing people in for questions, guys. And remember, I prefer to take questions live. So if you want me to answer your question, best bet is to come live with me. Hello.
Yeah, hello. How you doing?
Good. How can I help you?
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. I just want to ask. So, are you saying if let's say somebody submitted a divorce decree that was not valid, and if the immigration if the immigration finds out, are they going to tell you, oh, this is wrong, this is not correct, or
yeah, they'll usually tell you in
but
form
they don't
of a
tell
denial.
you. That means, let's say if they don't tell you, that means they didn't know it was.
Usually you find out because they deny your application. That's how you're going to find out, and they're going to tell you with the denial notice.
So they're not going to tell you outright that this is not right.
What do you mean outright? Like in the beginning?
No. During the process, let's say if you go for an interview or whatever, they're not going to tell you.
I'm telling you, I think I've already answered your question. That's usually at the end when you find out that it's fraudulent. At the end of the process, they're gonna deny, or they may send you a request for evidence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
If you need help, you need to call me. Okay.
All right.
All right. All right. Oh, guys, while I bring in the next, I forgot to share some great news, guys. We've been getting a lot of green cards lately. Our most recent one we got yesterday was for a guy, and his case, I mean, I just thought his case was weak. It was one of our weakest cases, but we got his green card, and it came in yesterday, and yeah, he was so happy. It just goes to show you just never know what God will do for you. But like I tell y'all, God backs this firm. So I just wanted to share that. I was so happy for the guy. Honest, because even I wasn't 100% sure about the case, to be honest with you. But we did our best, and the Lord took over. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing? How are you? Good.
Actually, I want to know if I am on K1 visa and I overstayed the visa, but my fiance did not marry me within the 90 days.
Okay.
Is it possible to apply for VAWA?
It is. It is, as long as there's problems and as long as there's some toxicity or abuse. As long as you qualify for VAWA, yes, it's possible.
Yeah, actually, I face extreme hardship and face domestic violence and sexual harassment from my fiance, and he did not marry me. After 90 days, he told me that he wants to do a contract with me, which is a prenuptial agreement, but I was not agreed to do the prenuptial agreement.
Wait, you never married at all? You never married at all? Hello? Okay, hello.
Hello, how you doing?
How can I help you?
How you doing today?
Good.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
So, yeah, there's a situation where I got 2 years. I got 2 years, and then I put an application for the 10 years.
Okay.
And they came back. When I did the 2 years, they didn't say nothing about my previous divorce. I got in successfully. Then when I put in for the 10 years, now they came up with there was a problem with the first certificate. So because of this, they cancelled the application.
Okay.
So, and the person that filed for me, we had issue. Everybody went a separate way. I did file a self petition on my own.
Okay.
And after I filed a self petition, they denied it based on the fact that they said the document is kind of fraudulent. So we actually trying to fix the document, which is not. We're trying to fix the document from back in Nigeria. So they're trying to send back the document to USCIS so for me to refile the I-751. I don't know if it.
Okay, I got everything. But what's your question now?
Yes. So the question is, while we're trying to fix it back, I don't know if is it necessary to redo it from here, because by redoing it here means that I'm giving up my I'm giving up the whole 10 years.
Yeah. Yeah, yours is a bit particular, but yes, it would mean just that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, actually, let me see. No, that's not true. Hello? What are people hanging up on me, or is this me hanging? Is my like I was still talking to that guy. Did you guys? Okay. Well, I guess let me just finish so that me have someone else. So technically, let's say if this person had qualified for VAWA, then you wouldn't be giving up your 10-year green card. Okay, so if you just redid your divorce here in the U.S. Okay, here is back. Okay, so maybe it was an issue with this. He's back. Let me just screw him back. Give me a second, guys. Is it my network? Because I'm like, people.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, are you back?
It means that I'm giving up 10 years.
No, not necessarily. So, like, let's say if you're filing now a removal conditions application based on VAWA. So, with VAWA, it goes straight into a 10-year green card anyway. So, no, you wouldn't be giving up your 10-year green card. But the issue is your spouse going to is your spouse going to be willing to remarry you at this time?
So, I'm no longer with my spouse. We did divorce already.
Okay. It looks like your only option is to get it fixed in Nigeria.
On my own.
Looks like your best bet is to get it fixed in Nigeria then, and make sure it's proper.
To fix it in Nigeria. Yes, that's exactly what I'm actually doing right now.
Yeah.
To get it fixed, because by not fixing it, it means I'm giving up my 10 years then.
Sir, I think I've answered your one question. I got two other people. Call me and schedule a conversation, okay?
I will call you. I'll call you then.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, bye-bye. Sir. Or is it ma'am? Which one? Who's going to go first?
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good.
Yeah, I just have a quick question. What is the best option for someone that have overstayed her visa, but she's not married yet to a U.S. citizen? So what would be her option of an adjustment of status?
I think call me. I'll see. I can try to screen you for asylum. See if you qualify. Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, that would usually depend on if there's some danger in your home country. There's a reason why you can't go back home safely. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I heard that asylum, you have to have a case to be able to petition for asylum. I don't know.
Well, I don't want to answer that. There's reasons why. I think it depends on the lawyer. Just call me. We'll talk. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. I'm happy to talk to you. I've been following you for a while now. I'm so happy to finally talk with you.
Thank you.
And be on your life. You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
All right. Bye-bye.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm an asylum seeker, and I have a marriage certificate from Nigeria, but I don't know what to go for. I have cases and a lot of tickets, and it's just a headache, and I just want to see if I can get a green card or maybe like some type of diplomacy where I can move on forward without being put into a box, but I don't mean to like say that I'm special or anything. It's just that things will not work out my way, It's just how life really is.
Wait, are you married? What's your current situation right now? Married, divorced?
Yeah, I'm married.
So are you a citizen or who?
Yeah, I'm a citizen. I'm from Kenya.
Okay, so what's the you are a citizen right now, or you're married to a U.S. citizen?
13th district.
No, I'm saying, are you married to a U.S. citizen, or you are a U.S. citizen?
I am a U.S. citizen.
Oh, okay. So, what's your question? I'm trying to help the people who need a green card. If you're already a U.S. citizen, I'll help you.
What is the requirements to? Okay, so if I have a pending case, like a pending court case, like a criminal case.
Okay.
And I have a public defender.
Okay.
What accusation will they have against me to require more resources?
I have no idea. First, I don't know what charge you. I mean, this is a conversation question. I have no idea what the charge is. I have no idea what we're talking about, really. To be honest with you.
Yeah. It's more of a, because I'm not exactly. I think my documents are kind of falsified.
Okay.
Because I'm not really. I understand there's Kenyan people that have descent, but I'm really fully Rwandan. But it's just that I don't understand how I got caught in the circle where it's just. It's like a grief where it's just like it's mixed in with the culture and everything. It's just yeah.
You mind scheduling a consultation? You're losing me.
I know.
Schedule a consultation. We can talk further, okay? But by the way, I need to let you know I'm an immigration lawyer. I'm not a criminal lawyer. So I can type out a website where you can go find a very good criminal lawyer, unless you have issues that have to do with your immigration. Then maybe you need to talk to an immigration lawyer. But otherwise, you need to speak to a criminal lawyer. Here's a website you can go to, avo.com, okay? All right. Thank you.
No problem.
I wish you the best.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hey, people. Shoot, I got to choose nicely here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Yeah, my question is really quick and short. Okay, I filed for VAWA 2021. And I was sent my prima facie. After everything, I was waiting for my work permit.
Okay.
Instead of them sending the work permit, they renewed my prima facie. What do you think? Do you think it has any negative or positive effects?
And let me ask you, you're sure you filed for work permit? Because that's a separate application.
Yes.
So I-765 was filed?
Yes, please.
Okay, so no, sometimes, at least last year, we had a huge delay on our work permits. Things are just starting to speed up again. So that's happened before to some of my clients.
Is that what? I didn't hear
I'm telling you, in other words, it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's happened to me before with some of my clients, at least last year. Like, we had a huge delay on getting work permits in. Yeah. So to answer your question, it doesn't mean it's not a bad thing. And the fact that they renew your prima facie is a good thing.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's like, because I filed in November 21, November 18, 2021. And it's like going 2 years now, like 2 years and nothing instead of, what do I want to do with prima facie? what do I want to do with prima facie?
Okay, so sir, do you mind scheduling a consultation for anything else? Because I try to stick to that one question, especially since there's a huge line behind you. Okay. Schedule a consultation, please, for the rest of your questions, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, how can I help you?
I just wanted to ask a brief question.
Okay.
I filed for my green card, but because we couldn't go over there to the immigration, we didn't go, so it was cancelled, and I got divorced from the marriage.
Okay.
But I had some abuses too in the marriage. But I don't have evidence to support the marriage because I live in New York, and
Okay, sorry. Let me try to make your question easier. So right now you're divorced?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long have you been divorced?
The divorce last year in November.
Okay, so you're just trying to see if it's possible to pursue a viral case?
Yes, ma'am.
Like I always say, I can't say that on live, especially if I haven't heard all the details. From what it sounds like, it's at least worth the shot of calling me. Let's talk about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but now I live in Houston, Texas.
We do all 50 states, sir.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I wanted to ask for my friend too because he has gotten married before too, but they said that the divorce wasn't good. And you're talking about that they have to do the divorce and then remarry.
Can you tell your friend to call me?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Thank you. I've answered one question. I can't do any more. Okay.
God bless you.
Bye.
Thank you. Amen. God bless you.
Me too. Okay. All right. Someone said they lost connection. You can request to come in again. Let's see.
Hi.
Hello. How are you doing, madam?
Very well, thank you. How are you doing?
Good.
So, I filed for VAWA in 2013.
Okay.
And it got accepted.
Okay.
And so I got my green card. My only thing is that before I filed for my green card, I had 2 kids, but I never put them on the filing application. I never put them on. And I'm wondering if I want to do citizenship, I can now put them on, or just leave it as it is. But already my 10 years green card has been renewed for me again. I just wanted to apply for citizenship. I didn't know what to do.
Okay, I think I don't know if you were there earlier. I discussed this exact issue. So yeah, if you just suddenly add them and they were never on your other previous applications, there are going to be some questions about why are we just finding out about these kids? Were you trying to evade some sort of immigration laws, or were you trying to, is it that you had married someone fraudulent or something? That's why you left the other kids. So it's going to be some questions. Just as long as you're willing to answer and able to answer them properly, then you should add them. Or I don't want to say the other alternative. Give me a call me, and I'll tell you the other alternatives. But I can't really feel free discussing with you fully right now about this issue on a live video. Okay. Hello. People's lives are dropping without me realizing. Okay, I'll try that lady one more time. She was talking. I think people's lives are dropping.
Hello? Yeah, I lost connection. That's why. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, I heard what you said, but I lost connection. Yeah.
Okay. In other words, long story short, you could choose to wait till after the citizenship to add the children, or you add them beforehand. If you add them beforehand, just know there are gonna be some issues. They're gonna ask some questions like, "Why are we just finding out about these kids? Are you trying to hide something? Trying to hide a husband somewhere?" All sorts of questions are gonna come up. So, if you have a valid reason and are able to explain yourself properly, then that will determine what you should do. But really, to be honest with you, you really need a good consultation with the lawyer. If I was you, I would dare not file for citizenship without a proper consultation, especially if you got that kind of issue.
Okay, and if it's the other way, like me filing and not even adding them at all.
Ma'am, did you just hear what I just said? You need a proper consultation.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
Hi, Ms. Flower Queen. So my question is, what if your U.S. citizen spouse don't want to
Or they don't want to file for you? Huh? Repeat yourself. Repeat the question, please. What if what?
Your spouse want grandchildren.
I think what you're trying to basically say is, what if your spouse refuses to file for your green card? That in itself is not an issue. Like, you know, it's America's a free country, so he or she has a right to refuse to file for you. Okay, but now if they threaten or refuse to file for you using threats, like if they say, "I'll only file for you if you give me this money," or "I'm only going to file for you if you have sex with me," or "I'm only going to file for you if you do this criminal activity," if they use threats to induce them filing for you, then that's when we have an issue. But them just deciding not to file for you is not something that's criminal or liable, but per se. Okay, there's got to be more. In other words, more has to have happened for you to qualify for file.
Is there a way out?
Sir, I can barely hear you. I think I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna just move on to the next person.
No. Hello.
Yeah, I can barely hear you. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye, sir.
All right, I have a question.
All right.
All right, so my question is there anything to do for someone who had filed with a citizen, someone that's citizen, and at some point they separated, and when that person had to go for interview, he had to go by himself.
Okay.
But even after the interview a year ago, they still haven't reached out for any answer or anything like that. Is there anything that can be done?
Wait. So basically, your spouse filed for you. You already had an interview this about a year ago, and you're trying to figure out what the issue is?
Yes. Okay. So the spouse, we were already separated before going to the interview. So the interview, she wasn't there.
Was this an application to remove conditions or just an original application to get a green card?
So it was I-485 and also the 765.
Okay.
And
so hopefully for you, they just approve it without calling you for another interview. But if they call you for another interview and you and your spouse are no longer together, of course you're screwed. And so at that point, you may need to call me to see if you have other options.
Okay, I understand. Yeah. But even like they haven't called, and whenever I try to call, they wouldn't. Like I wasn't able to get anybody on the
phone. I'm not sure what the question is now. I think I've answered
more than a year.
Sir, I'm going to be fair. I think I answered your one question. So anything else, just schedule a consultation, okay? I still have so many other people to get to as well. Anyway, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Guys, let's please try to stick to one question. I only answer one. Okay, I only answer one question at a time. All right. Next. These are the last people I'm taking. Ooh. All right.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and you?
Actually, the connection was.
Hey, how's it going?
I was not able to connect.
What's the question?
Actually, yeah, you can ask.
Okay. What? Okay, who's going first? Okay, can I? Go ahead, sir.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. So a couple of weeks ago, like I discussed on a video call that I have pending asylum application here in Texas State, and you guided me that I am eligible to apply for I-765 in a category of C8. Okay. And I did apply by myself, and I got my work permit done like a month ago.
Okay, congratulations.
But they made a little mistake in my name. Like I do have just a given name, just first name.
Okay.
I don't have any surname in my document. So what they did, it's appeared the name on the work permit is as a first name. They said F and U. First name is not available, and my name they put in surname. So do I need to go there to change it? Or
especially if your ID and other documents state a different name. Yeah, you should change it. Yeah.
And how long they're gonna take the time?
It may
Like
take
I'm
another
afraid
four.
they will
It may
take
take
like
another
3 months, 6 months.
Yeah, it may take another 4 to 6 months again to get it corrected.
Okay, but they said like I have to send the work permit ID, the card I got to them.
Yes,
so
that's true.
If I found any work, I can't use the good.
Let me be fair. I've answered like.
Alrighty, thank you.
Why do you guys try to get me like this? Hello.
Hey, Queen, I greet you.
Good. How are you doing?
Yeah, very good. Thank you. I just have a quick question.
Okay.
So I got my 10-year green card through approved of our petition.
Okay.
So on the day of my interview, I remember my interviewer told me if I remarry my ex-wife, she's gonna revoke my green card. And so right now,
that's not true. I mean, there's no. She can't do that legally speaking.
Really?
Yeah, she can't revoke your green card for remarrying your spouse. No.
Oh, okay.
That's
So currently, I intend to divorce my abusive wife and then remarry to my ex-wife.
No. Oh, okay. Sorry. She's talking about if you remarry your original
ex-wife,
spouse.
Ex-wife abroad.
There's still no legal basis for that. There's still no legal basis for that. Let me see. Have you filed for citizenship yet?
No. I'm a green card. I just got the 10-year green card, so
okay.
I like
to be on the safe side, I would say wait till you're citizen to marry.
Sorry, can you say that again?
To be on the safe side, I would say wait till you're a citizen before you can marry. But legally speaking, she can't do what she said. She cannot do what she said. Like it's not legally. Like legally, she has no right to do that. If you prove the avowal case, you prove the avowal case. But if you want to be very sure, then I would wait till you become a citizen.
Oh, okay. You advised me to wait until I get my citizenship, right?
No, I didn't. I don't advise it ever on the live video. I just gave you two options of what you could do, and then it's up to you to decide.
Can you say those again? The two options, please.
I said, legally speaking, she cannot hold you, like she cannot revoke your green card. She cannot do that legally speaking, unless truly she finds that there was some fraud somewhere. Okay, but legally speaking, she has no right to do that unless she has some basis for it. Like maybe she finds that there was fraud or something. I said you can really go ahead and remarry her now. But if you want to be on the safe side, wait till you become a citizen.
Okay, that's until after 3 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how soon do I have to wait to divorce my abusive wife?
Do you want to wait? Do you want to schedule a conversation, sir? I've answered like 2 questions. I was unfair, in fact, to other people.
Okay, but can I divorce my abusive wife right away?
Can you schedule a consultation right away?
Yeah, I tried to, but your guy told me I'll have to pay for like a month or 2 to get attended to. So.
Well, that's what happens when you wait to call me. Yes, I am in demand. Sorry. Yeah, you gotta wait. That's true.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay, guys. It's 2:17. I'm going home. You guys enjoy yourselves. I'm going to be back again. Please, this was a great live today. I shared a lot of nuggets that I know you've never heard any other lawyer tell you. So if you really appreciate what we handled today, the things you heard today, the things you learned today, please share. Please share. If you have a Nigerian friend, especially, share this. Okay, if you know a Nigerian or you are a Nigerian, share this with your people. Let's help each other out. Make sure your brother, your sister doesn't end up in a situation, a bad situation, okay, where their application is denied because of something they never knew was fraudulent or because of something they could have prevented. So I gave a lot of tips, a lot of solutions today, and it'd be great. I'd appreciate it if you share, okay? And now I'll be back probably next week because I'm usually so busy. Have a good day, guys. If you feel I could be of any help, I've put my phone number at the bottom. You can schedule a consultation and we'll talk. Take care. Oh, and to address something the guy just brought up, I am quite busy. We are a bit booked in consultations. I just finished doing a bunch of weekend consultations. I think I did three consecutive weekends of consultations, and I just finished that last weekend. So, and I won't be doing that for a while, okay? Because I've interviews coming up, and I also want to live a life. I want to travel somewhere soon, okay? So, for this reason, I'm not going to be doing weekend consultations for a while, and I usually do that to catch us up. So I did that because at first we were really like 4 months behind. I caught us up to like 2 months now. So the next time I'll be doing weekend consultations, I don't know when that will be. So if you need my help, just go ahead. Like I always say, schedule a consultation now. All right. And like I always say, I hate to get to a consultation to find out I can't help you because you called me too late. All right. Someone asked me, what about Cameroonians? What are the issues? I don't have many Cameroonian clients. So I haven't quite come up with I haven't quite seen a trend in the issues that Cameroonians have as far as adjusting their status. Um, so no, I don't know how to answer that. I don't have a lot of Cameroonian clients. All right, have a great day. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye 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 bye.